Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Facebook, Apple, and Amazon. We follow the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, it's free, or click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Traders, if you're looking for a new broker, check out venomtrading.com/promo/StockBookie. Best in the business, been using these guys for years. venomtrading.com. Tell them StockBookie sent you. You won't be disappointed. All right, guys, so $4.40 down on Facebook today. $2.70 or 2.75% red, or where were we here? And then 36 million on the volume. So down, sideways, still back below the 750 retrace. We're holding the 50 retrace down here as well, and this major trend line here at 155.13. Let's see, is it a major? Yeah, so that's the gap fill there too. So we're right above that, closed on it. So now though, I mean, we're down still sideways, but we're up and sideways here. So it's slightly bullish. Bullish, you got to get above this candle and close and start making a move for the moving averages. So right now, we're not out of the woods yet. If the markets bounce, the SPY, the IWM, the Qs, this should start to bounce a little bit more. Everything's a little bit oversold at this point, but doesn't mean it can't start to sell once again. Volume starting to lighten up. News is starting to subside. The market should start to catch a bid. But again, we'll see what happens in the next couple of days and the weekly close on Facebook. Weekly, holding this area, holding the gap fill. Still a lot of consolidation down here with a lot of support, even around the 149 area and the 145 area as well. So we'll see what happens. But I think ultimately, if we retrace again, we're going to reload here and then possibly write some more calls. I still think we're coming down here towards the 200 MA on all the weekly charts. But be careful, guys. But we're due for a slight bounce in these markets, guys. Watch the volume on the SPY. That will tell us a little bit more going into tomorrow. All right, so Apple, guys. Apple daily chart. This one wasn't bad. It was $1.10 down, 0.66% red, and 37 million on the day. Still holding this lower range. Inside a bar, down, sideways, down, sideways. Still looking weak, guys. So we got to keep an eye on Apple. Apple has to be a leader. This one has to start moving up in order for the markets to be happy and everyone's bullish again. Because right now, guys, market's in turmoil again tonight at 7 or whatever it was. So still trying to hold gap fill at 167.37. A little bit weak, still above the 200 MA. As long as we made the low, a higher low, let's see what happens in the next couple of days. Does this bearish pattern play out, or do we start reversing and recapturing these moving averages and start moving up, fill the gap, get to this high trend line here, and then possibly double top again? So let's keep an eye on these markets, guys. We're overdue for another rally. Not that we're going to get it. Everything looks pretty weak here, but when we saw the markets in turmoil tonight on CNBC, that could mark a short-term bottom for another retrace into the next selling pressure. So watch for that. But, you know, we're right, let's see, from this top, yeah, we're right at the 50%, guys. Could go up, could go down. Here's your retrace, boom, boom. Here's your 50% right there. We're right in the middle of the range. So really nothing to do on Apple. Unless you're, you know, trying to pick off a bottom. All right, let's go into the weekly. Weekly's holding good above the 50 MA, still inside this bar. It's got to start moving up, guys. That's the bottom line with these. So keep an eye on that one on the weekly. Let's see where it closes on Friday, and then we'll see where these things can go. This one was down a little bit after hours, so nothing great though. And at Amazon, I'm going to keep these short and sweet today, guys. We did we hit the 50? 1347. Where was the low? 1355. So no, we're almost there. Almost touched the 20 MA on the weekly and get the bounce, but we did come into the 750 retrace as well as the 382 coming down from this high. So good support down in here even on the weekly. Let's go to more short term on the daily. Volume was good. We're $75 down and a little bit down after hours too. And man, this one, I mean, for weeks, look at it, bit up, every day up. So they got people so conditioned now that Amazon can't go down. It's all it's been doing was going up. Once we crack this trend line, gap down, you know, down from this little sell bar here, and then we gap lower, it was pretty much on, guys. So pretty not the worst day. It was down what 5.21% or $75. It's down a little bit out, after hours, but great support in this area. And as great support as 1264.09. Ultimately, though, markets dump. We are going to the 1158 area right down in here. Period. Volume was pretty good today, so watch volume. Volume overall was pretty good. 186 on the SPY as well. Watch for that. Let's go to the weekly on Amazon. Weekly chart, again, we were good support here. So let's see what the market gives us in the next couple of days and then the Friday close. Right now, it's not telling us too much other than it's down. And then a couple of these, let's go back to the daily. I mean, we're down and sideways, going a little bit. Amazon's not saying too much. We almost filled the gap down in here. I still think we can easily come down to 1264 and 1158. Let's go back to the weekly real quick. Weekly, though, I still think we can go 1136, and I honestly, we're going to 1,000, guys, when it's all said and done. And then we're going to see the pattern there. Weekly, what am I saying? Weekly 200 MA, guys, 707 now, so watch for that as well. All right, guys, that's it for today. If you have any questions or comments, please send me an email at stockbookie@gmail.com. Check out venomtrading.com as well. Those guys are good. They're part of Cobra Trading. I've been using these guys for years and years and years. Check them out. And again, guys, thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.